Basket set of 2. Product pack of basket set 2. Take out the basket. Mount them on the front of the bike. Unplug the headlight power cord. Remove the headlights. Fasten the front fender back on. Take out the headlight extension cable. Connect the extension cable to the main cable. Install the basket load-bearing frame. Fix the basket load-bearing frame. Mount the headlights to the bottom of the load-bearing frame. Connect the power cord. Tie the connecting wire to the bottom of the load-bearing frame. Mount the baskets onto the upper end of the load-bearing frame. Mount them on the rear of the bike. Remove the 4 screws holding the rear shelf board in place. Attach basket to rear rack. Replace with the extension screws in the accessory kit. Tighten the screws that secure the basket.